you've been asking for them. We're gonna try and bring them in for you. 26-foot box truck's what you asked for. We got you 25-foot 6 by 102 wide. Does have a tailgate on the back. We're gonna take a look at it. It's a 2007, so last year, no fluid, no filters. Pre-emissions considered a truck. Mercedes horsepower, looks like 350 on it, and a fuller 10-speed behind it. 40,000 pound rears on the Tandem. Let's take a walk around. Looks like the nose and the hood, cab's pretty good shape. Nice fuel tank for you. Body looks pretty decent for the year, a little rub. Looks like they touched up some places. Tires looking pretty good. Come on back. Mr. Kiefer's going to show you the tailgate here. Tailgate works for you. Inside of the box looking pretty good. E-track on the inside as he flips it up for you. Looks like it's aluminum, so it's lightweight for you. Back bumper's in pretty good shape. Come around to this side of the box, we got a little repair on the back corner, otherwise looking pretty good for its age. Rear tires look like they got some life left in them. Bang. Frame's looking pretty good underneath. Nice fuel tank again on this side, air ride seat. Again, manual transmission, AC present but not working. Fleet maintained truck, pretty well taken care of. No check engine light. Oh, I'm sorry. Check engine light is on. No ABS light is where I was going with that. All the lights are okay. Washers, wipers, city horn, blower, good to go. Again, 25-foot 6-inch by 102 wide box truck for you. Nice shape on the inside. Working tailgate. 2007 pre-emissions truck. Come on by. Check it out. We'll give you a great deal. Best prices on the East Coast just keep getting better.